Welcome to our culinary journey. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure through the flavors of China, exploring the delightful tastes of drunken chicken, a classic dish celebrated for its aromatic and wine-infused flavor, perfect for special occasions and everyday meals alike. Origin story: Drunken chicken originated in the Zhejiang province of China, where Shaoxing wine is produced. This dish traditionally features chicken that's been marinated in Shaoxing wine, lending it a unique and intoxicating flavor that has captivated food enthusiasts for centuries. Ingredients list. For this authentic recipe, you will need whole chicken, 1, about 1.5 kilograms, Shaoxing wine, 500 ml, chicken broth, 500 ml, salt, 1 tablespoon, fresh ginger, sliced, 5 pieces, green onions, 3 stalks, goji berries, optional a handful, granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon, star anise, 2 whole, cinnamon stick, 1 whole, black peppercorns, 5 to 6. Recipe: Preparation. Start by poaching the chicken. Place the chicken in a large pot with cold water, ginger slices, green onions, star anise, cinnamon stick, and black peppercorns. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Recipe: Marination. Allow the chicken to cool to room temperature. Then, submerge the chicken in a mixture of Shaoxing wine, chicken broth, salt, sugar, and goji berries. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld and the chicken to absorb the wine-infused goodness. Recipe: Serving. Slice the chicken and arrange it on a plate. Strain the marinating liquid and pour some over the chicken to enhance the flavor. Garnish with additional green onions and goji berries, if desired, for a pop of color and added flavor. Serving suggestion: Drunken chicken is best served chilled, making it a refreshing appetizer or side dish, particularly in the summer. It pairs well with steamed rice, stir-fried vegetables, or noodles, and can be served at room temperature or warmed up slightly for a comforting meal. Fun fact: this dish's name, Drunken chicken, comes from the use of Shaoxing wine, which not only flavors the dish but also tenderizes the meat, creating a tender and juicy texture that's simply irresistible. Tips and variations. For a variation, try using different types of wine, such as huidiao or rice wine, for a unique flavor profile. You can also add other aromatics like cloves or cardamom to the poaching liquid for added depth of flavor.